Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Chill on YouTube. Anyone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen knows that there's at least one gadget out there for every single step in the cooking process. But there has never been an appliance that could handle them all. In the advanced days of technology, automated kitchens aren't just something you see in the sci-fi movies anymore. Many tech companies are getting close to achieving what they call a robot chef, or cooking robot. And by that time, you can have your restaurant quality meal served right at home without having to go to a restaurant or even touch any of your cookware. Here are the top 3 robotic kitchen arms you can have now. So without any further ado, let's dive in and start cooking. You guys will be shocked to see the number 1 invention on the list. Number 3, Moley Kitchen Robot. Moly offers you the world's first fully robotic kitchen. At the heart of the new technology are 2 robotic arms featuring fully articulated hands, developed in collaboration with world-leading German robotic company Schunk, Moly's exclusive hand partner. The product of 11 exhaustive development cycles, they reliably reproduce the movements of human hands. This means the robot kitchen can retrieve ingredients from the smart fridge, adjust temperature, use the sink to fill pans, and pour, mix, and plate up just as a human cook would. The robot even cleans up after itself, without complaint. The Moley Kitchen can be used by both humans and the robot. Bespoke stainless steel cookware and utensils have been designed to be comfortable to hold, as well as providing a precision fit in robotic hands. The Moley Kitchen uses a combination of sensors and optical cameras to map ingredients, cookware, and utensils within the kitchen. Subtle markers on handles and pan lids help the robot orientate the stainless steel pots, pans, and utensils. The robot's optical system can even spot dropped food and clean up before and after cooking. An integrated UV lamp ensures the cooking area is kept germ-free. That is fancy. Number 2, Flippy Robot. Miso Robotics is one of the many firms trying to automate food preparation. And today, it announced that its latest machine, which places its burger flipping bot Flippy on rails to move about the kitchen more easily. Like Flippy before it, Flippy Roar is designed to automate simple food prep, specifically anything involving fryers and grills. The robot uses machine learning to identify foodstuff and a camera array which includes a 3D depth sensing camera from Intel and a thermal camera to navigate its environment. A robotic arm then wields a spatula and grabs baskets full of food to fry. Flippy Roar can now cook 19 items in total, says Miso Robotics, and it's able to flip both burgers and the plant-based Impossible Burger. It can also perform basic grill maintenance like scraping off burnt crud and removing excess oil. The robot's AI system have now been trained to identify a wider range of fry items, and it can now dunk more things into hot oil than ever before. That list includes chicken tenders, chicken wings, popcorn shrimp, French fries, tater tots, potato wedges, hash browns, onion rings, and waffle fries. The real upgrade, though, is Flippy Roar's rail-based navigation system, which lets it slide about from a hopper of frozen items to the grill and fryer. The overhead rail has the effect of keeping the robot out of the path of busy kitchen staff to increase safety, and it can be installed overnight. Miso Robotics also says it's upgraded the robot software, which kitchen staff use to control the machine's operations via a 15.6-inch touchscreen. Wow, watch out, McDonald's employees. Number 1, Bot Chef by Samsung. Like nearly all major technology companies, Samsung is making a big push in artificial intelligence. The technology, which gives devices some ability to act on their own, is seen as the next big wave of computing. the way we'll interact with our gadgets in the future. Instead of swiping on our phone screens, we'll talk to our devices via ever listening microphones around our home and office. The ultimate promise for the AI is to predict what you want before even asking, though most smart assistants aren't that smart yet. The device works as an extra pair of hands in the kitchen. When a real life chef is working on a part of a dish, Bot Chef can chop, whisk, pour, or clean up as needed, based on skills it learns over time or that it downloads from Samsung's skill database. If you wanted to stir a pot of soup, you can download a stirring skill. Then all a chef needs to do is talk to the robot to issue commands. Bot Chef can autonomously understand the location of objects so the user can tell it where to find the spoon and which pot to stir. The robotic manipulator arm has 6 degrees of freedom with the same diameter and reach of a human arm. Its sensors and AI algorithms let it work alongside a real person safely, even when they get in each other's way. So, this is the end of the video, Top 3 Robotic Arms in the Kitchen. We hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in. But before you go, subscribe, like, and share the video. And don't forget, hit the bell icon to check out our interesting videos made just for you.